My name's Antoine and I run a speaker business for students, essentially for house parties. I started because my friend recommended me a pair of active 600 watt active speakers, which I use my student overdraft to buy, just for doing house parties for myself, and then I did a few house parties for friends for free, and from there it just sort of grew and grew. Starting out, I was doing it all really cheap and built up a reputation, and then eventually people would start paying more, which meant I would have more money to buy more equipment. So I could do some packages which were less money and some packages for more money, and just cover a wide spectrum basically. I've had equipment break. I had my electric toothbrush got stolen once from my own house party. Apart from that, no, not really. It's all been pretty smooth, which has been brilliant.